Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Swahili with Connie, and today we are going to go through the uses of kwa, the Swahili conjunction kwa. Nilitembea kwa miguu, yeye hucheza kwa dakika kidogo. Sema kwa Kiswahili, nilienda kwa gari. So be prepared with a pen, a book to write some notes so that you won't forget the uses of kwa. Number 1, used in expression of duration as for. It expresses the time or duration a certain thing was done. It is used here as for. Example, I walked for 2 hours. Nilitembea kwa masaa mawili. For the last time, what's your name? Kwa mara ya mwisho, unaitwaje? Kwa mara ya kwanza, ameongea Kiswahili. For the first time, he has spoken Swahili. Nilikimbia kwa dakika chache. I ran for few minutes. Yeye huoga kwa masaa mengi. He usually showers for many hours. So, I think you can see the uses of kwa in these sentences, like kwa masaa, for what duration? Masaa mawili. Kwa mara ya mwisho, the last time, mara ya mwisho. Mara ya kwanza, first time. Mara ya pili, second time. Mara ya tatu, third time. And you can make a sentence or two in this category down in the comments below. Number 2, used as an expression of means instrument. By or with, expressing the means of transportation, njia za kusafiri, or using, kutumia. Example, nitasafiri kesho kwa basi. I will travel tomorrow by bus. Atakuja kwetu kwa miguu. You can't say na miguu with legs. You'll say kwa miguu, by feet. He will come at our home by feet. Tunataka kwenda nyumbani kwa gari moshi or treni. We want to go home by train. Anakata nguo kwa makasi. He is cutting the cloth with scissors or using scissors. Here, most of the time people confuse kwa with na. Like people will say, nitasafiri na basi. So this one literally means I'm going to travel with a bus. You are going with a bus. You and the bus. But when you say kwa basi, you mean by bus. That is the means of transportation you are going to use. Avoid using na because it means a different thing. Used in expression of the manner in which something is done. In which manner. Sema kwa Kiswahili tafadhali. Please speak in English. Usicheze kwa hasira. Don't play in anger. Tueleze kwa undani. Explain to us in depth or fully. Usiende nyumbani kwa kimya kingi. Don't go home in much silence. Nisikilize kwa makini. Listen to me keenly. Listen keenly to me. Listen to me in seriousness. Okay? So this is in the manner. For example, sema kwa Kiswahili tafadhali. And by the way, Kiswahili is the real name of Swahili, but we call it Swahili when we are speaking in English. Number 4, used in expression of a viewpoint. For, in, out of. Example, wavulana wawili kwa 100 wanalijua hilo. 1 out of 100 boys knows that. Tunajitegemea kwa maisha yetu ya kila siku. We rely on ourselves in our daily lives. Watu wachache tu kwa wengi hawalijui hilo. Only few people in many don't know that. Kwa watu wengi, mazoezi ni muhimu. For many people or to many people, exercises are important. And you can say kwangu, mazoezi ni muhimu. For me, exercises are important. Or kwake or kwako, kwetu, mazoezi ni muhimu. Just like that. Number 5, used in expression of utility. Used for something. Example, analipa pesa kwa karo ya shule. He is paying money for school fees. Kitabu hiki kimelengwa kwa wazee. This book is intended for the old. Vitabu hivi vimelengwa kwa akina mama. These books are intended for mothers. Sheria hizi zimelengwa kwa wananchi. These laws are intended for citizens. Wananchi is a noun, a collective noun from nchi and mwana. Mwananchi is a citizen, wananchi are citizens. And akina mama is the plural of mama. Akina mama, akina baba. Yeah, that's the plural. Number 6, used in expression of correlation, along with. Example, wake kwa waume waligoma. Women alongside men went on strike. Tumekula ugali kwa nyama. We have eaten stiff porridge along with meat. Here people confuse with na. They will say tumekula ugali na nyama. So what does that mean? That means they have eaten ugali with nyama. As in, nyama has been their company. Nyama and them have been eating ugali. So you should use kwa. Wazee kwa vijana watawasili. The old alongside the youth will arrive. Wadudu kwa samaki wamekimbia. Insects alongside fish ran away. That's all. And thank you so much for watching this video. You can support us by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting down there. And you can even comment the grammar that is hard on you, so we can discuss them here. And remember, we have Swahili lessons every Tuesday and Saturday, Swahili grammar, and every Thursday we have a Swahili song translated. So you may also comment it down there. Till next time, bye.